How to create a reel for Facebook. Today I will show you how to create a reel on Facebook using your Android phone. Super quick and fun. Let's go. First, open your Facebook app. Then click on the three lines at the top right. Scroll a little and you will see a section called Reels. Tap on Create. You can either record a new video by holding the red record button or tap on the photo icon to upload a video from your gallery. Keep it vertical and under 60 seconds for best results. Once your video is ready, spice it up. Tap on the music icon to add songs, text icon to add captions, and try some filters or effects if you like. Keep it fun and eye-catching. Now write a short caption, something catchy. Use hashtags like #fun, #tutorial, or #dailyvibes to get more views. You can also choose who can see your reel, public, friends, or only me. All done? Just tap share now and boom! Your reel is live on Facebook. And that's how you make a reel on Facebook. Fast, fun, and straight from your phone. Try it out and show your creativity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.